Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the DOM and the DOM manipulation. So basically, what is DOM? So the DOM is a document object model. It is like a tree representation of a HTML document created by the browser. When the browser loads an HTML document, it converts the HTML document into a DOM tree made up of JavaScript objects. So what is DOM manipulation? So DOM manipulation means using JavaScript to change the DOM example, selecting elements, changing text, changing style, adding elements, removing elements, responding to events. So this and all comes under DOM manipulation. So the difference between the DOM and the DOM manipulation is DOM is created by the browser, represents HTML as objects, and it reads only JavaScript. It reads until JavaScript changes it. Okay. And coming to this DOM manipulation, it is the changing structure. It's done using JavaScript, and it modifies these objects, updates content, style, attributes, etc. So basically, this is about DOM. So see, this DOM converts into tree-like structure, as I said. Like, okay, we'll see the tree structure. So this is how the our CSS code, HTML code, everything is going. So this is how the HTML code converts into the DOM tree structure. As we move on, we'll just see in detail how this DOM tree is about. This DOM tree is organized as a tree because every element can contain other elements, right? Let me just show you that. So in the document, it is a special object that entries, as you can see, document.query. With that, we will be entering into the document, basically this HTML document file. So with that, we are initially accessing this elements. Let's specify object that entry, for example, dom.query selector. If we type that, we'll select this whole page. So when we want to select the elements, you can select the specific elements of the head and body as it is getting highlighted, as you can see. In the same way, initially we can select the elements, and also we can just select the paragraphs, image, or simple text, or whatever the sub thing details also as well. And also we can select this links. If anything href or something like that, we can just select them as well using this dom.query selector. And we can specify to call out by using the class functions, or by using the HTML elements like body, head, and all. Okay. So does DOM is not equals to JavaScript? So a common misconception that people know is DOM is part of JavaScript, but it is not. Okay. The ECMA script defines the JavaScript language. The browser creates the DOM and provides it's a web API. JavaScript interacts with the DOM using the methods like document.query selector, or else get element by ID, and other browser APIs. Without a browser, a document doesn't exist. For example, in a typical Node.js environment running, document.query selector h1 will result an error because there is no DOM available there. Okay. So this is the difference between the DOM and the DOM. So this is the in-depth detail about DOM and DOM manipulation, DOM trees, and everything. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.